back to my channel. My name is Jackie, and today we're gonna open up another Snackcrate box. I actually haven't done this in a while, just because honestly, sometimes like we just get the box and we want to eat it right away. So that's why I haven't filmed a lot of these, but I have my box today. And I'm gonna be honest with you all, my husband actually did already eat some of the stuff in here, so it's not newly opened, but I haven't tried these yet. So if you see that the snacks are opened, it's not me. So if you don't know what Snackcrate is, it is a monthly subscription where you do get snacks from different parts of the world. And each month you get a snack from a different country. I just love food. I love trying different foods. I'm very like adventurous and experimental. So let's see what is this month's country. And yes, I am on my balcony right now because the lighting in my house is very dark at the moment. And it's so beautiful today. But anyway, here is the country. Sweden! I love Sweden. It also goes well because I've been talking a lot about Scandinavian countries lately. Here is the packaging. Very cute. And here are the open snacks. Sorry guys. But I also love this box because it tells you a lot about the country, its history, some fun facts. This is actually pretty interesting. It says Swedish people produce so little waste that the country imports waste from Norway to keep trash companies busy. And that's what I'm saying, like Scandinavian countries are so superior when it comes to like the environment and going green and knowing how to recycle, compost, everything like that. They're so good. Awesome country. I've actually been to Sweden once. I haven't been to the main city, which is, I think it's Stockholm. No, but I've been to Malmö, which is like a city that's very close to Copenhagen. So I've been there before. I hope to go to Sweden someday again because it's such a beautiful country. IKEA is from Sweden. I keep saying Sweden. IKEA is from Sweden and I absolutely love IKEA and IKEA food. So anyway, let's get started. We have the snack list right over here. And it looks like most of it is actually like candies. And I love candies. I remember when I was in Denmark, my Danish family would have a jar filled up with candies and we'd have like a hygge night every Friday and watch movies and just eat candy and licorice. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so the first thing I see here, my husband actually finished this, almost finished it, but there's a couple left. It is called Cool Hallon Skele, and then it looks like it's an octopus gummy. So let's see what that tastes like. So that's what it looks like. It is absolutely delicious. Again, you can't go wrong with candy. I love candy. It's very sour, but then it has a very like strawberry sweet taste afterwards. So I would give this a 10 out of 10. I love it. All right, the next one is this like Oreo candy, and let's try it. I'll buy this company called Marabou, and I've seen this company a lot. I think this is also in Denmark as well. Let's try. This is like, it's Oreo flavored, so you can see the cookies and cream inside. You cannot go wrong with Oreos. I love it. Okay, this one is not open, but it's called Dime. And I've had this before. I don't know if I had this in Denmark or if I had this in IKEA. I don't remember. But let's try it. This one is, it just looks like milk chocolate. Let's see what it says over here. This snack features almond caramel covered in rich milk chocolate. So good, you'll be saying, oh hot dime. I actually remember now. It's like, it tastes like a toffee. Like it's very crunchy. It's like a hard caramel covered in chocolate. This is delicious. This is my favorite chocolate so far. And the only chocolate I had, so. Okay. Ooh, okay. This one, I've not tried this yet. This is called Doomly Snacks. This is what it looks like right over here. Doomly Snacks. It has a coconutty flavor, but what does that contain? Let's see. A delicious combination of foamed caramel mixed with Rice Krispies, that's what it was. Then coated in milk chocolate. Delicious! I love it! But I would say that the Dame, that was a loud but, but the Dame is better than this one in my opinion. Okay. Alright, this one is called Biller. Sorry, it's open, guys. But this one is called Biller, and it's in Sweden, or it's in Swedish, so I can't read it, but let's see what it says. It says here, accidentally created in 1953 during an attempt to produce marshmallows, these light and chewy candies are molded into shapes of little cars. Little cars, okay. Let's see what this tastes like. But they're super cute. Look, it's like pastel colored. I love pastel colored. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like. I would give this a 10 out of 10 because it has a gummy-like texture, but it also tastes like marshmallows. And those two are amazing to me. And also, it's a little bit minty as well. So these are just so cute. And it like tricks my mind. I think it's a marshmallow, but then it's very chewy. See? I love it. It's cute. Alright, I don't know what this is. It looks like another chocolate bar. They seem to like their chocolates in Europe, right? Am I right? Anyway, this one is called Plop. Like, plop. Anyway, it's just like a chocolate bar with caramel. It reminds me of like the chocolate that you'd buy in elementary school. Like the kids would sell it. I don't know what it's called, but it's like really like standard chocolate, and you can buy different flavors, and it's like for kids fundraisers. But this is what it reminds me of. But it's good though. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong with chocolate with caramel, at least for me. I love caramel. Love that for me. Here is another one. I'm so sorry. This one is like almost all gone, but I told them to like save a little bit for me at least. But this one is called the Keks. And this looks like a wafer, kind of like a Kit Kat. This is what it looks like. Honestly, not a huge fan of like wafers and all that stuff, but it's actually good. I like it. But honestly, at the same time, I feel like I love everything. I love candy, I love sweets. That's why I'm giving up sweets this month. I'm giving up sweets in April. This is like my last little binge before I give it all up, so. All right, we have two more sweets, and then we have 2 chips as well. So here is the last chocolate. This one looks very smooth. Like, look at that picture, right? It looks like a very smooth chocolate. It's called Double Nougat. So let's see what this says. Light and soft nougat is combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create a decadent chocolatey snack. All right, let's see. This will be an everlasting love. Where does that come from? This will be. Anyway. Okay. What did I tell you? It kind of looks like a little fudge, right? Like it's very smooth. Oh my gosh. It tastes like nuts. Fudgy nuts. It's really good. And yeah, I'm gonna have this as a dessert later on. Because I also love the taste of hazelnuts. Like, who loves Nutella here? Let me know. I love Nutella. It's like my favorite cream or spread. This is basically like a chocolate version of Nutella. Love it. I give you a 10 out of 10. All right, this one is called Banana Skids. Banana and toffee flavored chew bar. Whenever I think of a chew bar, I'm like, it sounds like a dog toy or something. But anyway, this kind of reminds me of the Laffy Taffy that you would have. Very chewy looking. Hard. Oh my goodness. What do you expect? This tastes just like Laffy Taffy. It's really good. I love it. But like, at the same time, I have to like watch myself and like make sure that my like fillers don't get pulled off because of chewy candy. So that's something that I need to worry about. But yeah, it was really good. So the last 2 chips that I have are all done. They're all done. But they're basically just like normal potato chips. Looks like it has a little, oh, it's like onion, potato onion flavor. And this one is the, looks like it's flavored like potato chips and dill. My husband really enjoyed these. He loves chips. I like chips too, but I like more so candy. So yes, so it has 2 chips in them. And yes, that is the box for today. I did enjoy it. I would say it's not my favorite because honestly, like, it was mostly just chocolates and gummies, and that's kind of what you would find here in the US. Is that a spider web on my face? Anyway, so it wasn't my favorite, but then again, at the same time, I love snacks in general, so I still enjoyed it a lot. And plus, I love Scandinavia so much, and it just reminds me of my time being in Denmark and living there. And so that's why I'm happy that this month's box was Sweden. But this month I'm actually going to quit sugar altogether. Like, the girls in my family are going to have this like fitness challenge where we have to eat healthy, exercise, and so that's why this month I'm going to try to be as healthy as possible, because that's always been kind of a struggle for me. Not sure why, just like I love food and I love to eat. I'm trying to work out more and completely cut out sugar, and you'll see a video on that and my progress and everything. So yeah, it's a Friday night right now, and probably it's gonna be my last night of really eating something nice and sugary. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Everyone, I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed my Swedish snacks as well, and I'll put more information down on the description below on if you're interested in a Snackcrate box. Not sponsored, by the way. I just buy this all of my own money because I just love food. So more information down below. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time, everyone. Bye!